Okay, you ready? No, we're not doing welcome back to our podcast.
Yeah. No, I said welcome back. We're going to do the Burp challenge drink.
Alright, do it.
Welcome back. We're going to do the Welcome Burp drink game.
The welcome Burp drink game.
Okay.
You got that really
One,
fast.
two.
Alright, hold up. We're trying our best not to burp.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? 3, 2, 1.
I had to burp. I didn't
Don't burp. Don't burp.
I did it.
This chair is like messing up. I hate this chair so much. Don't pay attention to that. Don't pay attention. Don't burp.
Haven't burped.
It's literally like right here.
Mine is all the way to my butt.
That was so funny. Go.
I didn't burp. I need a burp.
It's literally right here. It's about to come out.
Then let me see it come out. Mine is really right here. Is yours coming out? Honey, so what are you doing back there, girl? Honey's rebel. Are yours is all gone? Okay, keep drinking.
Mama, my burp's like literally right here. I'm trying to talk it down.
Ooh, mine is still in my stomach. I'm about to win because Mel's about to burp.
Drink that whole thing. I only got a little bit left. Mama, Bristol said that hers was in her butt.
It comes down to your butt. Oh,
Oh, my stomach hurts.
I need a burp. I need a burp. Oh, Lord. I need a burp. How's yours going? Are you about to burp? Where's yours at?
I already burped. I just not burped.
Oh, you're losing. Look, y'all. Her burp, her lose. I'm winning. So, hit that subscribe button and give me a huge thumbs up.
Bristol, you're so funny. Yeah. The Dr. Pepper one.
This one.
Mama, did you hear what Bristol said? Huh? She said, click that subscribe button and give me a huge thumbs up. That's what Bristol said.
Yeah, because you're not winning.
So now it's just up to Bristol. I'm just going to go ahead and drink the rest of mine. Well, my tummy hurts. My tummy hurts. Oh, I feel bloated.
Not me yet. I haven't felt bloody. Oh, I made a burp. My burp's about to come up.
Oh, you done?